In this video, we're going to take a look at the Spoon Street exhaust installed on a 93 Civic hatchback with a stock D15. This is the stock exhaust sound. You know, after I took out the stock exhaust, I shook it around and it had some like sand or small pebbles or something in it. It sounded okay. As you can see, I'm running a redone B pipe with an aftermarket resonator and an aftermarket cat, and it made the stock exhaust sound a little bit more aggressive. It actually sounded pretty good. Wasn't too bad. But obviously, if I'm going to get the Spoon one, it's going to be a huge upgrade. Here's me installing it. This is the bubble wrap that came with the packaging in the Spoon exhaust. I wrapped that thing around there just thin enough so I didn't have any clearance issues. You could see me kind of struggling with it right now, but it wasn't too bad. Definitely when you install an exhaust, spray the rubber exhaust hangers with WD-40 or else you'll probably never get it on. It's kind of a pain in the butt, but it literally takes like a few minutes to get it on the hangers if you have WD-40. Luckily, the B pipe that I was using was pretty much a direct replacement for the stock B pipe. And so the Spoon exhaust, it bolted right on without any issues. The hardest part was to get the springs, the exhaust springs on the exhaust bolts to seat in properly. But just use a vice grip and you should be all good. Here's me kind of struggling with that bubble tape to pull it off. Try not to muscle anything off at any time, because you'll probably break something or hurt yourself. So I'm cutting off even the bubble tape. I'm cutting off the bubble tape. Make sure I don't pull anything out or bend anything. The exhaust looks really good, especially in this shot right here. Oh my goodness. Again, I paid about $500 after shipping from Blackhawk, Japan. And this exhaust in the US typically retails for $750. So I got a good deal. And that $500 didn't have tax on it because it's coming from Japan. So you could see all stainless steel, perfect fitment. That's what I love, because you're not finagling or making compromises about fitment. It just goes right on, no troubles. Don't have to go to any exhaust shop to fix anything. It's perfect quality. You can see a fingerprint right there. I had to wipe that off before it burned itself onto the stainless steel. Here's a clip with it on. This is on an iPhone 15. I think it's a 15 Pro Max. About 3 feet from the actual exhaust, 3 or 4 feet. iPhone microphone. I believe it's recording in stereo. That stuff matters. So yeah, thank you guys. I didn't rev the crap out of it because I'm not that type of neighbor. So there'll be more clips soon.